Welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. So I have this rice, leftover rice and I need stew to eat, and I do not want to use tomato sauce. So I just decided to combine these ones. I think we have something similar to this video before. We're doing it again, but I think it's different also. So we have 2 bunch of broccoli, 3 bell pepper, 200 ml of oil, little bit tiny salt. So we have pepper. This is real pepper, but it's freezing one. That's why it's like this now. Cookie wine. We have 3 cloves of garlic, mushroom, 1 medium size of onion, purple onion. And here is our OSC sauce and honey garlic sauce. So I will add the salt to the beef. Sorry. So I'll be adding liquid seasoning. This is Maggi. So just mix it, then go stir fry it. It's boiling but not sticky. It's not sticky because we do not add cornstarch. If you add cornstarch, it looks presentable and shining also. But since I do not have add cornstarch because I don't want to. So it will boil, even if it's frying. You're supposed to be frying it. Then release the juice to itself. Yeah. So I'll be frying the mushroom now. No seasoning. Be putting the garlic. I don't want to wait for the garlic to burn, so I'll be adding the onion. So you don't have to wait for the onions to be brown too. So add the pepper. So I will be adding the pepper. You don't have to add pepper in yours, but I don't want to eat quiet food. I call it quiet food. So I want to eat loud, the one that hot. Yeah. Okay. So I'm putting the juice that come out from the mushroom back. I need a little bit oil. Instead of me putting new oil, I will just use that. Still adding oil because that one's still not enough. So the 200 ml we mentioned, that's what we later use. Oh, okay. I'm adding the beef now. Remember, broccoli don't have to stay long for fire because we want it to remain green and not too done. Okay. Let's see if we have small one here. Yay! We're adding cookie wine. Yay! They are jumping. You can hear the happiness. Oh my God. Sorry. Uh-oh. I'm adding the mushroom. I'm putting the garlic sauce, honey garlic sauce. This is the OSC sauce. Uh-oh. Oof. And I don't want it to go. Okay. I guess I cannot get everything out. Okay, we only have 2 minutes here to go. Yay! Should be getting my rice warm now. So we see in the dining. So we are done.
I'm